The best stuff happens when you take a chance. When you risk something and do the thing that the other people are taking a chance on a network kind of level, they will be rewarded, risk reward. Some people say the things I do are annoying because I'm intentionally trying too hard to be relatable, but I'm really not. It's never really been my intention. I've never gone out of my way to be relatable to anyone. I just say what I want, and I'm pretty blunt about things. There's no difference between my persona on Twitter and Instagram and in real life. You feel guilt when you're not necessarily in the best mood and you say to your fans, no, I don't want to take a photo. Or you're not as happy or bubbly as they probably thought you would be. I've had to remind myself that's okay. No one's forcing me or any other celebrity to take time out of their day to say hi to these fans or do these things. There is a sense of guilt that you can feel sometimes for not meeting their expectations. But that's kind of wrong for me to think that way because I am a person. I just check my Instagram. I get a lot of inspiration from there. I follow a lot of different designers and not really people in particular. Just kind of designers and shops. Certain stores that I love and just kind of draw inspiration from there and bookmark them.